Okay, so new problems with the car. Had the car running beautifully, 24 pounds of boost on my F1 49A 416 Texas Speed built motor. I've done all the details of the engine, so you guys know. But car drove excellent. In fact, still drives great, which is kind of odd. But I'm getting some oil pressure issues. It's at idle, it's wanting to drop down to about 12, which is not good. I've been there before. Turned out to be bearing. Actually, when I say I've been there before, that's with the stock motor. Still F1A 94, but just put too much power to it and ended up spinning the thrust bearing, actually, which is very common on these motors. So took the block out, ordered a 416, and then built the rest of it together. Vengeance Racing Stage 3 cam. I did all the other upgrades. Trunnion upgrades for rocker arms, upgraded ARP rocker arm studs. Everything's been upgraded. And you guys know that with the other videos. But car ran great a few months, and then it started. I don't even know how to describe it. It's not like the engine felt down on power, which is kind of odd. When the bearings started going on the other motor, I could tell like the engine just didn't sound healthy. You knew, like, if you've been around engines and you've been, and you're really in tune with your car, especially, you know when something's kind of not right. But this time around, it's a little different. The engine actually still feels very strong. But I'm just getting this low oil pressure, and I'm getting also a check engine light coming up with the oil pressure solenoid release valve. So I need to pull it apart and check to see if that solenoid went bad, or if something else happened. The bearings are spun. So that's kind of where I'm at with this motor. So I'm going to start tearing it down, and then I'll get updates on that.